The art of visualization is very sophisticated. When you photograph the result and you compare it with the renderings, it's difficult to tell which is which. But in the end, nothing prepares you for the actual experience of any building, and this one in particular. Well, arriving by seaplane and looking down, you see these shell-like forms. So it's very, very gentle in the landscape and the seascape. I think the difference between the Red Sea and others is kind of cultural difference. It is of the desert and growing out of the desert, and that I think makes it very special.